Hi, this video is recorded using 26.2 and later we will see 26.8 version. So this is a current version that we use. Let's see how we work here and let's see after that how we will work in the future. For example, if I want all the styles, I can choose, for example, for heading 1, I go down, heading 1, heading 2 and so on. If I create a new style, let's create a new style from let's create from default a new style name test1. Apply OK. That style will be here, test1. If I go to custom style, I will see just the styles that I created, but I cannot see very easy to apply a heading 2 because I don't have that. If I go to applied, I don't have test2 style here because I didn't apply yet. So it's a very wrong combination here. Let's go to the 26.8 version. So here we are. Let's see what we have here. By default, we have like that. Okay, all the styles. But what we can do, we have filter now. So we can apply, for example, custom with applied, and maybe let's see how it is. I have just one style created by me and applied default paragraph. You can see default is here. I have just one style applied, default, but my style is created but not used. Let's apply. So now I have two styles used. Let's create a new style. From default, let's create test3. Apply, OK. You can see it's here because I have here checked custom styles. Any custom style that I create will appear here. Any apply style that I have in this document will appear here. Also, we can apply to hidden file styles, a document structure, and text styles. Let's see. For example, we can disable preview, and we have all the styles for titles or for text. For example, let's apply heading 1, heading 2, body text intended, the same here, heading 2. You can see how easy it is. Intended. And also I want a custom style for this one. So let's see the filter, custom style. So let's apply test3. And again, test3 here. So it's very nice. It's a very nice feature. We have this filter. If you don't need document structure, disable. You have less. If you don't need text styles, disable. If you need index styles, enable them, and so on. So what you need is here. So we can see my style, it's declared, it's defined, but not used. So now I have 8 styles in this document. Everything is used. And I can analyze everything. I can see very beautiful. I can arrange also hierarchical. So for example, I can group, I can create a style here under heading 1. So let's create a new style. My heading 1. So now it's here. So I can have things grouped by headings, by body text, and so on. So very, very beautiful thing here. Thanks to Jim for this update on styles. or we can have all styles like before, or if we want like before just custom styles, we have just custom styles. But it's much beautiful to have applied and custom together, or maybe some other things that we need. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.